Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your places and studying very well. I am Rupali Sharma, your English teacher from Vishisht Public School. So, as you know that we had started chapter number 5, The 100 Dresses, part 1, and the name of the book is First Flight. So we had read that Wanda was a poor girl, and in her class there were other students also who used to make fun of him. The girls Peggy and Maddie sometimes got late for school because they waited for Wanda. They didn't wait Wanda to give company to her but only to make fun of her. They waited her. So now and even they asked from Wanda that how many dresses do you have in your almirah. Now let us start the reading from page number 66. And when Wanda was asked that how many dresses do you have in your almirah, she answers 100. Wanda would say 100, exclaimed all the little girls incredulously, and the little ones would stop playing hopscotch and listen. So as I had told you that they used to play the game hopscotch. So when she answers that I have 100 dresses, then the small girls would stop playing only to listen what was said by Wanda. You, 100, all lined up, said Wanda. Then her thin lips drew together in silence, and after answering this, she becomes silent. What are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. So then it was also a fun of her that the girls used to say to themselves that what is the cloth of the dresses? I think they all are made in silk. Yea, all silk, all colors, velvet too. Yea, velvet too. 100 dresses, Wanda would repeat stolidly. Stolidly means not showing any feeling, means when she answers at that time she didn't have any feeling, all lined up in my closet. Then they would let her go, and then before she had gone very far, they couldn't help bursting into shrieks and peals of laugh. और फिर जब वांडा बोलती कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस हैं, सिल्क की भी हैं, वेलवेट की भी हैं, तो उसके बाद क्या होता कि वो ज़्यादा दूर नहीं गई होती जब वो लड़कियाँ खूब हंसती वांडा के ऊपर. Then they say 100 dresses. Obviously, the only dress Wanda had was the blue one she wore every day. So, why did she say she had 100? What a story! Then the girls think that if she has 100 dresses, then why she always wears the faded blue dress? It is a story. How many shoes did you say you had? Then they asked that how many pairs of shoes you have in your almirah. 60 pairs, all lined up in my closet. Cries of exaggerated politeness greeted this, all alike. And oh no, every pair is different, all colored, all lined up. और फिर उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है इस बात पे भी कि उसके पास अगर 60 पेयर्स हैं तो वो वही गंदे शूज़ क्यों डाल के आती है जो मड से गंदे हुए होते हैं. Peggy, who had thought up this game, and Maddie, her inseparable friend, were always the last to leave. और हमेशा क्या होता था कि जब वो गेम खेल रहे होते थे फिर बीच में वांडा का मजाक उड़ाते थे, उसके बाद सभी बच्चे चले जाते थे, वांडा भी चली जाती थी. पैगी और मैडी दो लड़कियां थी जो सबसे एंड में जाती थी. फाइनली वांडा वुड मूव अप एंड द स्ट्रीट, हर आईज डल एंड हर माउथ क्लोज्ड. एंड व्हेन वांडा लीव्स द प्लेस she had dullness in her eyes and her mouth always closed, hitching her left shoulder every now and then in the funny way she had, finishing the walk to school alone. Peggy was not really cruel. She protected small children from bullies. Bullies is those who use their strength or power to frighten weaker section. ठीक है, तो बुली करना होता है किसी को डराना, जो बड़ा बंदा छोटे को डराता है, राइट. सो जैसे एक तरह से रैगिंग ही होती है. तो पैगी जो है वो क्रूअल नहीं थी और वो इस तरह की बुलिंग से बचना चाहती थी और बाकियों को भी बचाना चाहती थी. एंड शी क्राइड फॉर आवर्स इफ़ शी सॉ एन एनिमल मिसट्रीटेड. If anybody had said to her, "Don't you think that is the cruel way to treat Wanda?" she would have been very surprised. Cruel. Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? अगर वो देखती कि किसी एनिमल के साथ इल ट्रीट हो रहा है, बुरा ट्रीट हो रहा है, तो भी वो चिल्लाना शुरू कर देती थी. एंड जब उससे कोई पूछता कि आपको नहीं लगता कि जो आप वांडा के साथ करते हो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द मिस ट्रीटमेंट, देन शी सेज दैट, देन शी थिंक्स दैट वाई डज शी से दैट शी हैज़ 100 ड्रेसेस. मतलब उनका रीज़न यही था कि अगर उसके पास एक ही ड्रेस है तो फिर वो ये क्यों बोलती है कि उसके पास 100 ड्रेसेस हैं. Anybody could tell that was a lie. Why did she want to lie? And she wasn't just an ordinary person. Else, why did she have a name like that? Anyway, they never made her cry. As for Maddie, this business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats and how many this and that she had was bothering her. So, Maddie, फिर क्या था कि पैगी को बुरा लगा कि हम ऐसा मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए वांडा का. बट इट वॉज मैडीज बिजनेस टू आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वांडा अगेन एंड अगेन, दैट हाउ मैनी ड्रेसेस यू हैव, हाउ मैनी हैट्स यू हैव, एंड मोर ओवर हाउ मैनी दिस एंड दैट. मीन्स बाकी चीज़ों के नेम भी लेती रहती थी कि ये चीज़ें तेरे पास कितनी हैं, वो चीज़ें तेरे पास कितनी हैं. Maddie was poor herself. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down clothes होते हैं old clothes handed down by someone. तो जो मैडी थी वो भी पुअर थी, वो उसके पास ड्रेसेस थी चेंज करने के लिए, लेकिन she was not, her parents were not able to buy many dresses for her. So most of the time she wears the old clothes given to her by the other people. Thank goodness she didn't live up on Boggins Heights or have a funny name. But Maddie was thinking that she was thankful to God that she was not living in Boggins Heights, and moreover she was not having a funny name. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking, polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied her marbles in the palm of her hand, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. And so sometimes क्या होता था, जब पैगी वांडा से क्वेश्चंस पूछती थी मॉकिंग स्टाइल में, मजाक के स्टाइल में, लेकिन पोलाइट वॉइस में, तो मैडी उस टाइम पे एम्बेरस्ड फील करती और क्या करती, फिर अपने हथेली में जो भी उसके पास वो खेलने वाले पत्थर से होते थे उनको हिलाना शुरू कर देती थी. She would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. और उसने वांडा के बारे में इतना सोचना भी नहीं था अगर पैगी ने उससे ड्रेसेस गेम ना स्टार्ट की होती. मीन्स इफ़ पैगी wouldn't have asked about how many dresses do you have, then Maddie would not have given any attention to her. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next. फिर वो सोचती कि सपोज़ यही ड्रेस की बारी अगली बार उसके लिए आ जाती है. She wasn't as poor as Wanda perhaps, but she was poor. So Maddie was not as poor as Wanda. Maddie वांडा जितनी पुअर तो नहीं थी, but she was poor. Of course she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. And she had better answers instead of saying that she had 100 dresses. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda. So, here are the questions. The questions we will do at the end. Let us continue. Today, even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad she had not had to make fun of Wanda. She worked her arithmetic problems absent mindedly. So, beta, that's enough for today. After oral comprehension check, we'll do tomorrow. We'll read the chapter tomorrow. So, you will read these pages carefully, right? Okay, thank you, beta. Have a nice day.